Hello everyone, welcome to this amazing course. In this course, we are creating 7 projects in 7 days. From day 1, we start to the very basics and each day a new project unfolds, covering a range of real-world applications. While creating projects, you will learn React hooks like useState, useEffect, useRef, prop passing, fetch APIs, and many more. In this course, you will learn all concepts and fundamentals of React. By end of week, you will learn not only build 7 projects but gained solid understanding of reactjs principle. So if you are ready to dive into React technology without any prior experience, or if you have basic understanding of React and want to make projects, so this course for you. Enroll now and become mastery in trending technology. We will meet you another side.